Good day, everyone. My name is Edwige. Today, I would like to share with you a video on how to use Amazon QuickSight to build a dashboard. So, a few days ago, I shared this dashboard on LinkedIn, and this dashboard was built on QuickSight. So, in order to use QuickSight, you need to have an AWS account because QuickSight is one of the services in AWS. So you can go on your browser and type Amazon console and you select this one. So it takes you to a new page. Here you can now sign up for an AWS account if you don't have one, and you will be given 12 months free. So you can use services on the platform. But you still need to check every time that you use a service to check if it is free or not, because some of them are free and some of them are paid. So you need to check. So since I already have an account, I'll just go ahead and sign in. So to sign in, I'll just go here to use root user email. So I can use the email, put my email. And then next, I put my password. So now it takes me to this page, and when you have an account, it will also take you to this same page. And from here, you can search any of the service here. So you search for QuickSight because there are millions of services. So click on QuickSight. And for first time user, it will not take you directly to this page. So you will need to sign up for QuickSight because since it is another service, it is not a service that you can just use directly once you have an AWS account. So you need to sign up for this QuickSight, and they will give you a 30-day free trial. So when you search for QuickSight and you will click on it, it will take you to a new page where you will have to sign up for it. So for now, I'm using the free account, and here you can explore this. So there is already a sample dashboard here, so you can click here and you'll be able to explore it, see some of the figures or the charts that have been created. So but for us, we are going to upload the data set and then work with it so that I can explain how it works. So we'll go here on data set and we come here to new data set. So here you have a lot of options to upload data set here, like S3, SQL, Postgres, and whatever. So you can select any of them. So for us, we will just upload a file, and then I'll go on my computer and upload the data set. And you can upload any type of data set. You can check the format here. So here we can preview the data and then click also here to clean the data and so on. But for the sake of this video, we'll just go next. And then you'll click on visualize. So it will now take us to this new page here. But normally we can also, if it doesn't take you directly to this page, I'm sure it will take you here. So you can now come here and click on analysis to start. But now, right now we are already in analysis. So we can now click on our new data set that we imported. And here you can create any type of visuals that you want. And it automatically creates a sheet. So you can add so many sheets here if you want. And let's delete this one for now. So now here you have, if you look at this interface closely, you will see that it looks like Tableau. For people who have used Tableau before, they can relate with this interface here. So here you have so many options. You can upload a new data set, visualize, filter, whatever, add the text, add the visual, add the image, import something or whatever you want. And here you can also explore here to understand what it does. So just go here and select, let's select an horizontal bar chart. So here you need to put the dimension and then the value. So let's put sales on the value, and then let's put product on the x-axis. So it automatically create a bar chart. And let's say you don't want this, and you don't want this title, you don't want this zoom bar. So you can just click here, format visual. So this is where everything happens. So you can change the title, click here on edit title, and then you type sales by product. Then you click save, so it automatically updates the title. Now we don't want this title here, we don't want this bar, and we don't want this other title here. So we'll click here to remove the title, and then we also do not want the data zoom, so you call this the data zoom. So we click there to remove it, and now we want the label because we want to know which product. So, and now on the x-axis we don't want this label. The title, we remove it, and then the sort. So you can click here to sort it ascendant by ascendant or descendant. So we also do not want that. Let's remove it, and we also do not want this label here, but we want the label next to the chart. So let's go to the data label and we toggle it on. And here you have two options. Either you put it inside or you put it right after the bar. So now we are done. And you can also change the color here. Either you can change the color of one bar only, or you can change the color of the entire chart. So you click here and you select. You see, this one did not change because it is a different color. But if I choose the same color for the entire chart, you see, everything goes on that. And let's say I also do not want this grid line. So I'll just come here and remove the grid line. It's gone. So, and I can resize it just the way I want. Because when you create a dashboard, you add so many visuals. So you want to shape it so that it does not take the whole space. So now let's say we want to add another chart. So you will go here, let's add the line chart. So here you also need to add let's put the date on the x-axis, and then sales on the y-axis. So now, just the way we did before, we don't want this here and we don't also want this here. So we'll click here to edit the title, sales by month, save. So now you see these things here is the days, but we want it to be in month. So we'll come here and then select month. It automatically changes it. So let's now size it here so that we can see. And then we don't want this the axis title. So we remove the title here. And we also do not want the zoom bar. We remove it. And then here we also remove this one on the y-axis. So we don't want the title. So now it looks good. We can resize it if we want. So now, if you want to put the data label, you can just toggle on, but we'll just remove it for now. But now, what is very good with QuickSight is that you can add a forecast. So you see these three dots here. You can just click there and you see add forecast. So it will tell you what will happen in let's say the next few months after, because your data set is limited to up to a year. It ends here in December 2024. But what happens is that it can now predict for what will happen in January, April up to February 2026. Can you see? So this is the beauty of QuickSight. And this feature is not available in other BI's tool. And yeah, this is what I love about QuickSight. And when you are done building your dashboard, you can now, so there are other charts that you can also explore, like the donut chart. Let's put segment there. Let's put no. Let's put, I don't know why it's not happening. So let's put value here. and then let's put segment. You see, so you can add whatever you want here and it will just display, and then you can arrange the chart. So here when you're done, you can now go ahead and publish. Let's call this test dashboard. You click on publish. So this is exactly how it appears because that is what we created. So you can now click here to export, print, generate a PDF, or you can click on the data, or you can save as and select whatever you want to change the name, or you can click here to share the dashboard, share this view. So whatever you want. So and now if you click here on QuickSight, it takes you back here and you can see all the other analysis that you've created. If you go to dashboard, you will be able to see the dashboards that you created. So this takes us to the end of this video, where I wanted to show you how to create a dashboard in QuickSight, and I explain how you can sign in to have an AWS account, how to sign in with QuickSight, and how to upload a data set and create a dashboard on QuickSight. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you on my next video. Bye.